Hello, it's Angie from Trips with Angie, and this week we are comparing Sandals Barbados with Sandals Antigua. I picked these two resorts because I noticed a lot of my clients who wanted a Sandals resort on a beautiful beach ended up comparing these two a lot. So let's get started with Sandals Barbados. Sandals Barbados is one of the newest Sandals property. It has two sections, the Sandals Barbados side and the Sandals Royal Barbados side. It's on a beautiful white sand beach. Rumors there's even turtles that pop in if you like to snorkel. So let's take a look.
Today we are headed to Sandals Barbados and Royal Barbados, both adults only, all-inclusives. If you're entering Sandals Barbados, you'll pass right by Kimonos, the Asian restaurant, which also has Soy, a sushi bar. Sandals Barbados and Royal Barbados are fully exchangeable, so you'll really only know which resort you're staying at depending on what kind of room category you book. Here at the lobby for Sandals Barbados, you'll find the gift shop as well as the lobby bar. Sandals Royal Barbados has a slightly different lobby. So that would be the only way you'll know if you're in Sandals Barbados versus Royal Barbados. Now, out front from the entrance, you're going to see some of the restaurants. This is the Courtyard Bar. Behind it, you'll find Bombay, the Indian restaurant, and next to it is Kimonos and Soy. And then on the other side is Butch's Chop House, a steakhouse. And then there's a peek at the Merrymaker English Pub. Reminder, this is just a sneak peek video, so I'm going to just give you a brief overview to the two resorts. Here's Club Sandals Lounge. When you book a club level room, you get access to additional amenities. One of them is this lounge and the concierge service. Here's Cafe de Paris, the coffee shop. Behind that are the Crystal Lagoon rooms. This is the quiet pool, and right across there is Portofino, which is the Italian restaurant. We come through the building to Spice's Restaurant, buffet, breakfast and lunch, a la carte dinner. Also in this area is the Calypso Bar and the Calypso Lounge. This is the main pool with the swim-up bar and the pool volleyball. Next to that, you'll find Mariner's Seaside Bar and Grill and Dino's Pizzeria. I do love that Sandals pizza. You order off a menu, they'll bring it to you here at the great picnic tables. There's the water sports you can see there in the background. And then this area is really popular at night. Your beachfront, you have the breeze from the ocean as well as those great fire pits. As you can see, the beach is beautiful, long, wide beach with great chairs, natural shade from the palm trees. And then, as you know, at Sandals, so many activities are included. You have your non-motorized sports, you have your motorized sports. If you want to go scuba diving, that's included. That's a peek at the beachfront building. So that's the only beachfront building on the entire property. So those rooms go quickly if you want that unencumbered beachfront view. You could see in the distance they've put out a jetty, so rocks to help break it. Now we are on the Sandals Royal Barbados side. So we crossed over at that beachfront building. You can see the infinity edge pool that you can see through. This is Neptune's Seafood Restaurant. So you're nice and oceanfront when you're eating that delicious seafood. Here are some of the swim-up suites available on the Sandals Royal Barbados side. So you just hop right into the great pool from your patio. And here's a peek at some of the other rooms. On top of this building is an incredible rooftop bar and restaurant. Sky Rooftop Bar and La Parisienne French Restaurant. So now we are just outside Lovers Lane Bar and Bowling Alley. So this is a hot spot at night, but you can access it during the day as well. Look at the great piano. You can see people gathering around there. But here's the shocker. There is a 4-lane bowling alley. That's right, it's included. And in front of it is a craft beer bar. And then outside you have your ping pong tables, your pool tables. So Sandals really is innovating with Sandals Royal Barbados by having these activities, by having bowling. I love that you have something inside active you could do. There's also the great Jerk Shack, bringing some of their Jamaican legacy here to Barbados. And then this is the Sandals Royal Barbados lobby. So if you booked a Sandals Royal Barbados room, this is the lobby you would come to when you checked in. So it looks a little bit different than the one on Sandals Barbados. Now we're in the Rondeval section of Sandals Royal Barbados. Take a peek inside. You have your king size bed, your table and chairs, your sofa, and your TV, as well as your little kitchenette. Your butler will take care of all your needs though. And the bathroom, you have the 2 sinks, the tub under the skylight, and the shower. These units are totally self-contained, so if you really want that privacy, if you're the couple that is looking for private alone time, you don't want to see another person, you could order room service for all your meals, this would be the room category for you because you have this beautiful backyard. You have the 2 chaises, your own table and chairs, another soaking tub, as well as your own little plunge pool. And I think it's so funny that they made it so you could jump right into the plunge pool from your room. But don't worry, there's another door so you can step outside without getting wet. Here's the main plaza area where the evening live entertainment shows take place. Here's one of the 2 fitness centers. This is attached to the Red Lane Spa. There's another fitness center on the Sandals Barbados side. So you have the Red Lane Spa with all types of treatments. And then here's a new innovation for Sandals. They made a donut shop. Sweet and Salty has all your favorite donuts.
Sandals Antigua has a bit of a different vibe from Sandals Barbados. Where a lot of Sandals Barbados is more sleek and modern, Sandals Antigua has more of that Caribbean charm. It has so many different room types and categories. You're sure to find the perfect one for you. It's on a sprawling stretch of beach. One end from the resort to the other is a bit of a walk. So let's take a look.
Hey everybody, it's Angie from Trips with Angie. I am here at Sandals Grande Antigua Adults Only All-Inclusive Resort. I'm really excited to show you around. A couple things to know about this resort. Number 1, it is huge. Number 2, the room categories are all really different. So even if you're not going to use me as your travel agent, you definitely want to contact a Sandals travel agent to help you sort through all the room options. Here's one of the beautiful wedding locations right in front of the Mediterranean Village. Or there's the Gazebo. You can see a large fire pit. And now we're going to head down to the pool. As you head down to the pool, you'll pass the pizzeria. So fresh made pizza each day. Here's one of the included restaurants. It's open for breakfast. You have both indoor and outdoor seating. Non-motorized sports are included, as is scuba diving. So here down by the beach, you can go sailing, take out a paddleboard or a kayak, and then let's go look at the beach. It's a red flag day. The beach in front of the Caribbean Village is wider and not as corroded. So you can see how it tapers off down there. Alright, so now we're entering the Caribbean Beachfront Village. This is another whole set of restaurants. As you can see, all beachfront. First up is Eleanor's, which is an open-air restaurant that serves breakfast. Then back in here is the piano bar. And the Courtyard Bistro, as well as Bayside. So let's take a peek at the Courtyard Bistro menu. It's open from noon to 5. So your typical beachfront restaurant: Philly cheesesteak, tuna melt sandwiches, hot dogs. And then Bayside's the buffet. So we'll keep heading down the strip. And then you have more beachfront access all the way down. The lobby to the Caribbean Village takes you to kimonos, the hibachi tables, and sushi. A little taste of Asia right here in Antigua. So this is a nice quiet pool right in this section. No pool service, but just nice to have a pool right outside your room. These are the Exora buildings. Ixoria. These cute little cottage type buildings. And then here's the swim up bar just in front of the Sunset Bluff building. It's a little bit quieter than the main pool. Has a little lazy river that goes away, and also the beach volleyball. These are the hibiscus buildings. A little courtyard with shops. Your good old Colombian emeralds, and the photo service. My favorite places at every Sandals resort, Cafe de Paris, the coffee shop. Espressos, crepes, so both your coffee and your sweet treats. And then here's the fun nightlife spot, the Drunken Duck British Pub. And here you go, this is the nightlife spot. It has DJs or different activities, and then obviously that great British pub feel.
So what do I recommend? Well, I personally love all the new modern updates to Sandals Barbados. I love that there's the bowling alley and the rooftop lounge, and you have that great beach to explore. But if you want more of that Caribbean charm and Caribbean vibe, I think Sandals Antigua is going to be a great fit for you. So it really just comes down to the type of experience you want, and also if you're trying to explore a new island. I absolutely love Antigua. A trip to Shirley Heights to watch the sunset is one of my favorite things to do. So I'm a little partial to Antigua in general, but overall I think Sandals Barbados and Royal Barbados is one of the best resorts that Sandals has to offer. I'm so curious which resort you would pick. Please let me know in the comments. I post new videos every Tuesday, so I'd love it if you would subscribe, or you can actually get these delivered right to your email inbox by signing up via the link in the description.